Hey everyone! Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of women explorers. Today, we're diving into the incredible stories and experiences of women who have taken the leap to travel solo. Did you know that more than 85% of women have traveled by themselves at some point? That's amazing! This statistic shows just how many women are embracing the freedom and adventure that comes with solo travel. Millions of women are exploring the world just the way they want to. Whether it's hiking through lush forests, wandering through bustling cities, or discovering hidden gems off the beaten path, women are making their mark on the world of travel. This is really inspiring and shows how much things have changed. Women are adventurous. They are climbing mountains, kayaking through rivers, and standing on the edge of cliffs, taking in breathtaking views. The spirit of adventure is alive and well among women travelers. It used to be that people traveled in groups, or women only traveled with their husbands or friends. Back in the day, solo travel for women was almost unheard of. But times have changed, and so have the opportunities for women to explore the world on their own terms. But now, more and more women are discovering how fun and free it is to travel alone. They are taking selfies at famous landmarks, enjoying peaceful moments on the beach, and soaking in the beauty of their surroundings without any distractions. It's a way to learn about yourself, see new places, and try new things. Solo travel allows women to step out of their comfort zones, meet new people, and immerse themselves in different cultures. Whether it's journaling at a cozy cafe or trying delicious local street food, every experience is a chance to grow and learn. This video is all about celebrating women who travel solo. We want to highlight the courage, determination, and joy that comes with embarking on a solo adventure. From scenic trails to vibrant cityscapes, women are proving that the world is their oyster. We'll talk about how to do it, what to expect, and hopefully, inspire you to try it yourself. Planning a solo trip can be daunting, but with the right tips and advice, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. We'll cover everything from safety tips to packing essentials so you can feel confident and prepared for your journey. Whether you want a short city break or a long backpacking trip, this video is for you. No matter your travel style or destination, solo travel offers endless possibilities for adventure and self-discovery. So, get ready to be inspired and start planning your next solo adventure today. Traveling alone used to be unusual, but now it's totally normal. More and more people, especially women, are embracing the freedom and adventure that comes with solo travel. It's not just a trend, it's a movement that's reshaping how we think about travel and independence. This is a big deal for women. For many years, societal norms and safety concerns kept women from traveling alone. But now, with better resources and a growing community of solo female travelers, women are feeling more empowered to explore the world on their own terms. It means they're breaking free from old rules and being independent. Solo travel allows women to make their own decisions, follow their own schedules, and truly immerse themselves in new experiences without any compromises. It's about self-discovery and personal growth. Why is this happening? Well, more women are earning their own money, having great careers, and wanting to see the world their way. Financial independence plays a huge role in this shift. Women are no longer waiting for the perfect travel companion. They're taking the initiative to see the world on their own. Traveling solo lets you be flexible, do what you want when you want, and meet new people from different cultures. It offers a unique opportunity to step out of your comfort zone and engage with the world in a more meaningful way. Every solo trip is a chance to learn something new about yourself and the places you visit. You don't have to follow a group. This freedom allows for spontaneous decisions, whether it's taking a detour to a hidden gem or spending an extra day in a place you love. The journey becomes entirely your own, filled with personal stories and unforgettable moments. Plus, there are lots of online groups and blogs about solo female travel. These platforms provide valuable information, from safety tips to destination guides, making it easier for women to plan their trips. They also offer a sense of community and support, which is crucial for first-time solo travelers. Women share tips and stories, which makes it easier to feel brave and try it yourself. Hearing about others' experiences can be incredibly inspiring and reassuring. It shows that solo travel is not only possible, but also immensely rewarding. So, if you've ever thought about taking a solo trip, now is the perfect time to start planning your adventure. Traveling alone sounds exciting, but it's okay to have worries. Many women feel a mix of excitement and apprehension when they think about embarking on a solo journey. It's completely natural to have concerns, and addressing them can make your trip more enjoyable and stress-free. Lots of women worry about safety, being lonely, or what other people think. Safety is often the biggest concern. Walking alone at night, navigating unfamiliar places, and being in public spaces can feel daunting. It's important to stay connected, let someone know your whereabouts, and trust your instincts. Let's talk about these. Safety is super important. Before you go, spend time researching your destination. Look up travel advisories, read reviews, and check out forums where other solo female travelers share their experiences. Equip yourself with knowledge about the local culture, customs, and areas to avoid. Do your research about where you're going, choose safe places to stay, and be aware of what's happening around you. Opt for accommodations with good reviews, preferably in well-lit and busy areas. When you're out and about, walk with confidence, stay alert, and avoid distractions like excessive phone use. If you're worried about being lonely, you can meet locals, join group tours, or just enjoy some quiet time to think. Engaging with locals can provide a richer travel experience and help you feel more connected. Group tours are a great way to meet fellow travelers and explore safely. And don't underestimate the value of solitude. It can be a wonderful opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. And if you're worried about what others think, remember this is your trip. Embrace the freedom to make your own choices and follow your own path. Journaling your experiences can be a great way to process your thoughts and feelings, and it serves as a wonderful keepsake of your journey. It's okay to do things your way. Whether it's trying new activities, dining alone, or capturing memories with selfies, solo travel allows you to fully immerse yourself in the experience without worrying about others' opinions. The more women travel solo, the more normal it will become. Each solo trip taken by a woman helps to break down stereotypes and paves the way for future travelers. So, embrace the adventure, trust in your abilities, and know that your journey is contributing to a larger movement of empowered female travelers. Feeling ready? Okay, let's talk about planning. Planning is really important for a fun and safe trip. Research your destination. Find out about visas, local customs, and any tricks people might try to play on tourists. Choose safe places to stay, maybe in well-lit areas. Tell a friend or family member where you're going and check in with them. Get a local SIM card for your phone so you can stay connected, and download maps and translation apps. Keep track of your stuff. Avoid walking alone at night and trust your gut feeling. If something feels wrong, get out of there. The world is full of amazing places, but if it's your first solo trip, some places are easier and safer. Think about countries with good tourist services like Iceland, New Zealand, Costa Rica, or Japan. These places are beautiful, have interesting cultures, and are pretty safe. You could also choose smaller towns or cities known for friendly people. The best place to go is somewhere you're interested in and feel comfortable. Here's a story about a brave woman named Sarah. After she finished university, she decided to backpack through South America all by herself. She was excited, but also a little nervous. Sarah booked a one-way ticket to Colombia and decided to try new things. For 3 months, Sarah explored busy cities, hiked through amazing mountains, and met lots of people. She learned to trust herself, deal with surprises, and discovered how strong she really was. Sarah's story shows how traveling solo can change you and help you grow. Traveling alone isn't just about seeing new places. It's about trying new things and learning about yourself. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone, really getting to know different cultures and making memories that will last forever. You'll become more independent and confident. You'll learn how to handle new situations, understand different cultures, and appreciate the little things. Most importantly, you'll learn more about yourself and the world. You can do this. If you want to travel solo, start small. Maybe try a weekend trip to a nearby city. This will help you feel more confident before you try a longer trip. Choose a place you're excited about. Do some research, make a loose plan, and pack light. The most important thing is to be open to new things, enjoy the journey, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Solo female travel is a big deal. By sharing our stories and advice, we can help other women feel brave enough to try it. Have you traveled solo? Tell us about it in the comments. Share your tips and favorite places. Let's help each other and encourage women all over the world to explore on their own. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more thrilling experiences and breathtaking journeys. Don't miss out on our next adventure. And don't forget to like this video if you find it inspiring. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. The world is waiting for you, one solo adventure at a time. See you in the next video.